Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to curve text in Figma. Let's get started. First, select the text you want to curve. Then click the Resources button or simply press Shift+I on your keyboard. Make sure you are in the Plugins section, then search for Curve Text in the search bar. Then run this app called ARC Bend Your Text. Then an ARC window will pop up with only two options: Bend Strength and Preview Zoom. Remember to adjust the preview zoom based on the length of your text. On the toolbar above, you can adjust the strength of the text bend. You can make it more positive or negative. Then click the Apply button. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our future content.